Hi, my name's Chris Davey. I'm the creator of Drawn from Memory. Today I'm going to show you how you can get started. The first thing to do is download the app from the App Store. As soon as you've done that, just open it up. Once you get to this menu screen, the first thing I want you to notice is the little cog icon in the top right hand corner. So click on that. Here you can see the audio settings menu. Here we can select the accents and the playback speeds of the words that we're going to learn. So if something is too quick for you, you can just slow it down to hear it a bit more clearly. Today we're going to look at some Spanish words, so we'll click into the Spanish menu. This is the dictionary page, and today we're going to learn the word hello. So you click on hello, and at the top, very top, you can see some familiar icons. You've got a delete button, an undo, a redo, a little note button, and then a save to gallery button. Underneath that is the flashcard. If you click on the
Hello.
word at the very top,
Hello.
you can hear the English pronunciation,
Hola.
and then underneath
Hola.
that is the Spanish pronunciation, and then underneath that is a little broken down phonetic explanation of how to pronounce that word. Underneath that is how Drawn from Memory starts to work. We've got a little written prompt here, and this one says, someone in a hula skirt saying hello. Drawn from Memory is all about creating links and associations between an English word and its translation. So, hola kind of sounds like hula. It shares some sounds there. So if we start to make this picture of this person in a hula skirt, we can start to create a visual prompt for ourselves. Your pictures don't have to be as amazing as mine. I mean, this is next level outstanding. But all we want to do is just create a nice little simple picture of someone in a hula skirt, and they're saying hello. Or hola. And this visual prompt is going to help us recall that word when we need to use it in conversation. If we don't like that prompt, we can make our own prompt. So you go to this menu and you could change it to something else. Maybe something like that. Someone hollering hello at a friend. You can see now that that has changed the prompt at the top of the screen. So if you come up with something that clicks better for you and makes more sense to you, you can use that. Let's go back to the dictionary. We're going to check out some other pictures that I've done for other words that are nice, quick and easy ones to do. Age at the top. Edad. So here we see a dad celebrating their age at their birthday. Edad. We've got the number 8 is a nice one. Ocho. The number 8 sneezing and saying achoo. So we're taking some things that we're familiar with, some sounds and situations that we're familiar with, and we're overlapping them with this new language. And that's how we're going to create these associations to work as memory prompts. And then finally, number 5, cinco. 5, thinking to itself, oh. And then we've created a nice little image and picture there to help us do that. Now this process and this exercise is what's important. So going through the motions of creating a memory prompt, maybe just using the written part, but then if we want to, creating a little doodle to complement that to help us store that information. And that is, in a nutshell, how Drawn from Memory works. You can then save that image to your gallery, and then you can review those flashcards and practice them in your own time. The final thing I want to show you is this little pen. So this is a disc stylus pen that I use for drawing pictures. You can see it's got a little disc on the end, but it makes drawing a little bit easier than just using your finger or using one of those stylus pens that have got the squidgy round bit on the end. So that's how you get started with Drawn from Memory. Best of luck.